Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited (TSMC) or Taiwan Semiconductor is a Taiwanese multinational semiconductor contract manufacturing and design company. It is the world's second most valuable semiconductor company, the world's largest dedicated independent pure play semiconductor foundry and its country's largest company with headquarters and main operation located in the Hsinchu Science Park in Hsinchu, Taiwan. Although the central government of Taiwan is the largest individual shareholder, the majority of TSMC is owned by foreign investors. In 2023, the company was ranked 44th in the Forbes Global 2000 Industry Semiconductor founded Industrial Technology Research Institution Hsinchu, Taiwan. Founder Maurice Chang, headquartered Hsinchu Science Park, Taiwan. Area served worldwide. Key people: Che Chio Y. Production output 15 million 12-inch equivalent welfare service manufacturing of integrated circuit mass service integrated circuit packaging multi water foundry service revenue 71.28 billion 2023 operating income 36.49 billion 2023 net income 27.67 billion 2023 total asset 161.6 billion 2023 total equity 94.95 billion 2022 number of employees 73,000 92,022 Taiwan's export of integrated circuit amounted to 184 billion in 2022, accounted for nearly 25% of Taiwan GDP. TSMP constitute about 30% of the Taiwan Stock Exchange main index. TSMC was founded in Taiwan in 1987 by Maurice Chang as the world's first dedicated semiconductor foundry. It has long been the leading company in its field. When Chang retired in 2018 after 31 years of TSMC leadership, Mark Liu became chairman and C.C. Wei become chief executive. It has been listed on the Taiwan Stock Exchange since 1993. In 1997, it became the first Taiwanese company to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange since 1994. TSMC has had a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 17.4% in revenue and a CAGR of 16.1% in earnings. Most fabless semiconductor companies such as AMD, Apple, ARM, Broadcom, Marvell, MediaTek, and Nvidia are customers of TSMC, as are emerging companies such as Luminar Technologies, HiSilicon, UNISOC, programmable logic device companies, and previously Altera also make or made use of TSMC foundry service. Some integrated device manufacturers that have their own fabrication facilities such as Intel, NXP, Microelectronics and Texas Instruments outsource some of their production to TSMC. At least one semiconductor company, LSI, resell TSMC wafer through its ASIC design service and design IP portfolio. TSMC has a global capacity of about 13,300,000 equivalent welfare per year as of 2020 and product chip for customer with process nodes from 2 macron to 3 non-macrometer. TSMC was the first foundry to market 7 nanometer and 5 nanometer used by the 2020 Apple A14 and M on SoCs. The MediaTek Dimensity 8100 and AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor production capabilities and the first of commercializing ASML Extreme technology in high volume. In 1986, Li Wa-ting, representing the executive Yan initiative, Morris Chan to served as the president of the Industrial Technology Research Institute ITRI and offered him a blank check to build Taiwan chip industry. At that time, the Taiwanese government wanted to develop its semiconductor industries, but its high investment and high risk nature made it difficult to find investor taxes instrument and Intel turned Doing Chang. Only Philip was willing to sign a joint venture contract with Taiwan to put up 58 million, transfer its production technology and license intellectual property in exchange for a 27.5% stake in TSMC. Alongside generous tax benefit, the Taiwanese government through the National Development Fund Executive Yan provided another 48% of the startup capital for TSMC, and the rest of the capital was raised from several of the Asian wealthy families who wanted firms that specialize in plastic, textile, and chemicals. Those wealthy Taiwanese were directly asked by the government of invest. What generally happened was that one of the ministers in the government would call a businessman in Taiwan, Chang explained, to get him to invest. From day one, TSMC was not really a private business. It was a project of the Taiwanese state. Its first CEO was James E. Dykes, who left after a year, and Morris Chang became the CEO. Since then, the company has contributed to grow, albeit subject to the silence of demand. In 2011, the company planned to increase research and development expenditure by almost 39% to $15 billion to fend off growing competition. The company also planned to expand capacity by 30% in 2011 to meet a strong market demand. In May 2014, TSMC Board of Directors approved capital appropriation of 586 million to increase and improve manufacturing capabilities after the company forecast higher than expected demand. In August 2014, TSMC's Board of Directors approved additional capital appropriation of 3.05 billion. In 2011, it was reported that TSMC had begun trial production of the A5 SoC and A6 SoCs for Apple iPod and Apple phone service. According to report in May 2014, Apple sourced its A8 and A8X sources from TSMC. Apple then sourced the A9 SoC with both TSMC and Samsung to increase volume from iPhone 6s launch and the A9X exclusively with TSMC, thus resolving the issue of sourcing a chip in two different microarchitecture size. As of 2014, Apple was TSMC's most important customer. In October 2014, ARM and TSMC announced a new multi-year agreement to the development of ARM-based 10nm FinFET processor. In 2020, TSMC became the first semiconductor company in the world to sign up the RE100 initiative, pledging to use 100% renewable energy by 2015. TSMC account for roughly 5% of the energy consumption in Taiwan. even exceeding that of the capital city, Taipei. This initiative was thus expected to accelerate the transformation to renewable energy in the country. For 2000